Good morning, class 8. We are answering. Now we have today chapter algebraic expressions. In these algebraic expressions, we have learned how can you find the sum of given expressions and difference. Today we will concentrate on multiplication of the algebraic expression. So there are actually we have two methods, horizontal method and column method. Now we have three questions before you. Now you can multiply a binomial by another binomial, trinomial by monomial like this. So you see you have to multiply these two. So how will you solve? First step, you multiply the coefficients, numerical coefficients. So minus 3 into minus 5. These are the numerical coefficients of these two terms. And then you come for the variables. X square into x into y into y square. Now you see, and these are the rules I have already explained. Minus into minus, so you will get plus. And plus into plus, plus. And plus into minus, minus. And minus into plus, minus. So in short, you should understand, if you multiply the terms by the same sign, either both are negative or both are positive, the result will be positive. And if the signs are different, plus minus or minus plus, so you will get negative. This is the rule, and this is a very important rule you should learn. So now you see we have to multiply these two. So what are you doing? आप कर रहे हैं न्यूमेरिकल जो कोएफिशिएंट्स हैं उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, and then we multiply the variables. So 3 into 5, 15, minus into minus, plus. So this will be plus. Now you come for the variables. In variables, if the base is same, on multiplying the powers are added. This is the rule of indices. If we multiply number of variables, and if the bases are equal, so on multiplying the powers are added. That is the formula x power a into x power b. What is the formula? X power a plus b. So now here x power 2 plus 1. And this will be y power 1 plus 2. And this will be the 5x cube y cube. This is the product of this question. Now you see, you have multiplied the coefficient to coefficients, and now you have multiplied the variables. In case of variables, the important point that is to be remembered, if we multiply the variables, if the bases are equal, then powers are added if we are multiplying. So here x, the base, powers 2 and 1, 3. And similarly here. Now we cannot simplify this because x and y are different variables, and different variables are not, we are not using that rule. Now you see question number 2. Binomial by binomial. So first you see the horizontal method. So x plus 2 into x plus 5. Now you multiply x into x into x plus 5 plus 2 into x plus 5. What do you observe here? You are multiply x into x, you will multiply, but we have just put. So x into x and x into 5. Then you will multiply 2 into x and 2 into 5. So x into x, using that rule, x squared. Do you know how did you get a square? Because bases are equal, powers are added. No power is mentioned, it is understood power is 1. 1 and 1, 2. X into 5, this is written 5x, coefficient into variables. And now 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 5, 10. Now you see these are like terms. Why they are like terms? Because they have, these two terms have same variable and same power. So x squared, and this will be 5x plus 2x plus, and this will be 10. Now these are unlike terms, so this is the product of these two binomials. So this is called horizontal method. Now if you multiply by column method, so you have to write like this: x plus 2, x plus 5. Now you see, what are you doing there? Same we are doing here, but only a simple change, that is in way of writing, although the basic is same. 5 into 2, 10, plus. 5 into x, 5x. And now we multiply x plus 2 by x. X into 2, 2x. Like terms should be in a column. Or x into x, x squared. These are unlike terms. Now this will be 10 and plus, 5 to 7x. And this is the x squared. This is the product. And this method is called column method. So you can multiply two binomials or binomial by trinomial. So any polynomial, if you multiply by any other polynomial, the rules will be same. One question more, you have to simplify. So this is column method, and this method is called horizontal method. Understand? Now one question you have to learn. How will you simplify? Simplify means if there is a sign of into, so you have to find the product. And if there is a sign plus, you have to find the sum like this. So this is the meaning of simplification. Now you see, you have to simplify. So what do you see in this question? Question is 2x plus 3. You find the product of this term to this term. So 2x plus 3, first you see the column method, column method. You can write any term on the upper side, 2x plus 3, and this is 3x squared minus x minus 2. Column method, 2 into 3. When we multiply two terms, either constant or constant into variable or variable into variable, the rule of sign will be used. Minus plus minus. So minus 2 into 2, minus plus minus 4x. Now you multiply by minus x. Minus x into 3, minus 3x, like terms. Minus x into plus 2x. 2 minus 2x squared. And now you multiply by 3x squared to 3. 3 is 9x squared. And this will be 3 to just 6, 6x cubed. This is column method. Minus 6, minus plus, sign will be same. Minus 7x, minus plus minus, this is plus. So plus minus 9 minus 2, 7x squared and 6x cubed. This is called column method, and this is the simplification of this. Now if you multiply by horizontal method, now you see how will you do. So this is the question, 3x squared minus x minus 2. You multiply 2x into 3x squared, 2 into 3, 6, or x squared into x cubed. Now this into minus x, 2, here coefficient is 1, no coefficient is given, it is understood 1. यदि कोई coefficient नहीं दिया है, numerical coefficient, तो ये समझना चाहिए कि वहाँ पर जो coefficient है 1 है. तो 2 into minus 1 minus 2 x into x squared. This into this minus 4. Now you multiply by 3. 3 into 3x squared, 9x squared. And 3 into minus x, minus 3x. And this will be minus 6. Now you see, you simplify the like terms. Unlike terms, you simply copy. So 6x cubed. And these two will be simplified because they are like terms. Minus 2 plus 9 plus 7. 7x squared. And these big two are like terms. So they will be simplified. Minus plus, sign will be minus 7x. And this is the unlike term, this will be copied. So this is the product of these two, or you can say simplification. So this is the product of algebraic expression. So there are two methods. One is direct method. This is direct method or horizontal method, you can say, and other is column method. By any method you can find the product, but जो rules, जो sign का rule है, दोनों sign यदि negative है तो multiply में positive हो जाता है, और यदि दोनों sign different है, plus minus या minus plus, तो result जो है negative आता है. That is the most important in the case of product of algebra. So this is the horizontal method. You are multiplying binomial to trinomial. So any polynomial multiply to any other polynomial, the same rule and the same process you can do. But as I told you, sign का बहुत important है, इसलिए sign का जो rule है याद रखना चाहिए. Same sign, either both are positive, both negative, you will have positive, and unlike sign, plus minus plus, you will get negative. So you will try to solve exercise 5.B and you will try to solve 5.C. If you have doubt, I will come again and I will try to solve your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.